Well, I'm sure you found this video because your calls are going straight to voicemail on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you two quick, easy things to check, and surely one of these will fix it. So the first thing you want to do is find your settings icon. We'll just push it. First thing we want to check is this airplane mode. We want to make sure it's turned off. If it's green, it's turned on. You'll also, right here in the top left hand corner, you'll see a little airplane symbol. That's one thing to check for. Second thing it could be, let me turn that back off, is scroll down just a little bit and you have a do not disturb. Somehow these gets hit, and you can see it's off right now, but if this do not disturb sign or do not disturb is on, you'll see a little half moon right up here in your status bar. More than likely that's what's happened. So let's turn it back off. So two things to look for. Look for a little airplane symbol, look for a little half moon symbol. That's the indication that one of these are on, and if they are, turn them off and you'll start receiving calls. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.